And news is coming in. Ivermectin medicines manufacturers have claimed that there is no meaningful evidence for clinical activity or clinical efficacy in patients with COVID-19 disease. The pharmaceutical firm has also said, and I quote, no scientific basis for a potential therapeutic effect against COVID-19 from pre-clinical studies, unquote. The World Health Organization has also recommended against using ivermectin to treat patients with coronavirus disease. In India, the drug is a part of clinical guidance for management of adult COVID patients that was jointly released by the Union Health Ministry and the Indian Council for Medical Research's National COVID Task Force just last month. And I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Sneha Mordani for more on this. Sneha, initially doctors recommended this, and now the medicine manufacturers are saying that there is no efficacy. Also confusion to do with remdesivir. Is it required? Is it not required? Why this lack of clarity?
You know, Gaurav, the government of India, like many governments across the world, is still trying to see what works the best, given the fact that there is no single one medicine which seems to be treating COVID-19 effectively. These are all repurposed drugs. For example, remdesivir is a drug which was actually made for treating patients suffering from Ebola. Same is the case with ivermectin. It's an anti-parasital drug which is used. However, the government of India has said that in patients who are suffering from mild infection, this is a medication that can be used, but there is no known benefit of it. In fact, it's all that is what is being done is that this is under the investigational therapy, and it is to be used in moderation. There are specific guidelines how this has to be done. What really happened in India was that in Goa, the government there asked people to take this drug,
Okay, so let's sincerely hope that there is more clarity and sooner than later on this. Sneha, I will come back to you for more as we try and improve the audio quality of that conversation. But need to slip it